What the hell is wrong with America? Hmm? Why is it that America is always talking about regime change in another man's country? Why? Is it your own country? Hmm? So now you are deciding what will happen in another man's country. Hmm? Why? What the hell is wrong with America? That America is always, deciding what will happen in another man's country. Is it your own country? Hmm? Is it your own country? Hmm? It was the same regime change that Oga Tariff demanded in Iran. It was the same regime change. Now it is Venezuela turn. Hmm? Oga Tariff is demanding regime change in Venezuela. Hmm? So what is wrong with Oga Tariff? What the hell is wrong with Oga Tariff? That Oga Tariff is demanding regime change in Venezuela. Hmm? Is it your own country? Hmm? Now you are deciding what will happen in Venezuela. Hmm? So now you have ordered an additional 10 fighter jet to be deployed towards Caribbean region. Hmm? Why all this? Why all this? Is it how you will win a Nobel Peace Prize? Hmm? What is wrong with Oga Tariff? I don't really understand what is wrong with Oga Tariff. Hmm? Is it how you will win the Nobel Peace Prize? Is it how you win it? Hmm? You have made us to know that during your campaign that you will end Ukraine war within 24 hours. That was what you told us during your campaign. That once you assume the office, that you will end Ukraine war within 24 hours. Hmm? Is it how you win the Nobel Peace Prize? I don't really understand. Hmm? What is wrong with Oga Tariff? Why all this war that you are sponsoring everywhere?